Alright, sorry I don't have more videos showing, but I can explain to it. I just put these nets in, installed them from Traxxas, and they got little places already to bolt them to. Just to get to it, you gotta have to, of course, remove the body, remove this top part of the roll cage, 4 screws pops out. Then there's 4 screws hold body 2 up here, the interior, and you'll have to get up, well, shit. There's some, they're up in here somewhere, you'll see them. And you have to, I had to remove my spare tires to get to it. You have to get to them like, I got the little tool right here, 2mm. I have to stick it like through here, above the sway bar, up in there, and you can get to it. And make sure you got one that's magnetized, so it makes it much more easier to get them back in there. So once you get them out, and you gotta pull it out, probably be better if you want to take your time and undo some of these so you can pull it apart. But I managed to get it out and cram it back in there. But yeah, just this top right here, which I ain't done bolted it up yet. See, I'm sitting there slapping it like a goddamn idiot. I just got 2 bolts in on one side. But anyway, top part of the roll cage, then just 4 screws for it, then the interior, 4 screws for it, 2 up here on the dash, and 2 back up in yonder, somewhere up in there. You'll see them. Yeah, it makes it easier to take your spare tires off so you get the wrench where you need it. But yeah, that comes everything you need. If you want a part number, play through it in the trash. Well, Chicken Express. This is 8517. This is what it was. Yep. Has part number for the window nets. So there you go. Like I said, I wish I was able to record it, have somebody hold the phone for me and all that stuff. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Take the body off, top of the roll cage, 4 screws, 4 screws interior. Take the spares off, make it easier. Pull the trigger out. And they already got little provisions for the new screws to go when it comes in the kit. Yeah, there you go. All right, man. Fuck yeah, shit.